Hello guys, PH here. I'm at my other spot here. The water's really high. Nice weather, a little breezy. Let's see if we could pop anything. Oh, something there. Something's active. Looks like something was chasing a bait fish. I didn't get a McNasty in a long time. There just ain't nothing popping in. Oh, I wasn't paying attention because I wasn't getting nothing for the longest time, and one popped. Man, I'm gonna try a different bait. I'm gonna give this Matsu. This is a suspending jerk bait. I think it goes like 8 foot. Let's try it out. Lots of rattles. Maybe these fish want some faster baits. We'll see. Oh! Did you guys see that? That was insane. A fish just plopped right out on the top. Coming right to the front by me here too. Oh yeah, McNasty, don't fall off. I didn't get one in ages. Woohoo! Hi, my friends. Oh my God, I got him good. Got him real good. You can see how I got him. I got him so good. All right, let's let this beauty go. It's hard to get that one off. If we get any poppers. Ah, son of a bitch. Missed one. Sneaky little buggers. I'm rusty on the reflexes, that's for sure. see if we could get over here, guys. There's all sorts of branches and crap in the water. Oh. Move that crud away. I don't know if I could get out this far. No, this is deep. Phew, it smells. Try over here on the side. Oh, that was a hole. Whoa, that's a hole. Pew, that stinks. Oh, look at the bubbles and crap. La pew, la pew. Oh, I'm feeling they're over here. In the shallower part. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Right up against the edge. Ooh, it's getting cold. There ain't nothing. Through all that pew stuff for nothing. There we go. Don't fall off. I gotta get out of here, guys. It's bad. Woo! McNasty number 2. Oh. Oh, you're cold, dude. Oh, stay still. Getting them good today. There we go. Oh, there he is. They're cold. McNasty sickle sticks. Let him go. There he goes. Ugh. Alright guys, it's getting late here. I tried a few more baits. Donkey Tail Junior. And now this spoon. I ain't getting nothing but cold. A cold front's coming in. Alright guys, at least I got 2. I got skunked the last few times out, so I got 2 little pickerels, better than nothing. I'm happy. Whew, it's getting cold. Guys, please leave me a like if you can and a comment. And if you're new watching, please subscribe. There'll be better fishing in the future because they're just starting to bite now. I've been coming for a while and getting nothing. Like 4 times I got skunked. So alright, PH out, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys.